Collectors fly in from around the world to dig it from the rhyolite. Nobody named topaz into that mountain either. Stone 3, carbuncle, Exodus 28:17. Modern scholarship converges on garnet. The USGS Mineral Resources Data System, government database, searchable right now at home, documents garnet localities across Utah, San Juan County, Kane County, their record. Stone 4, emerald, Exodus 28:18. Emerald is a variety of beryl. I need you to hold that word, beryl. Set it somewhere in your mind and don't let it go. We're not done with it. We are coming back to beryl at the end of this video, and when we do, everything is going to land differently. Stone 5, sapphire, Exodus 28:18. Sapphire is corundum. The USGS documents corundum in Utah mineral districts, Beaver County, the Bingham Canyon area, their database, their record. Stone 6, diamond, Exodus 28:18. I'm going to be straight with you here because that's how we do it on this channel. We don't overstate. The Hebrew word is yahalon. There is genuine scholarly debate about whether this translates to diamond in the modern sense or another hard stone. I'm not going to tell you it's settled when it isn't. What I will tell you is that Diamond Fork in Utah County isn't named by accident, and Utah's geological record includes diamond indicator minerals in kimberlite pipes. Documented. That sits where it sits. Stone 7, ligure, jacinth, zircon, Exodus 28:19. Modern scholarship lands on zircon. USGS Utah zircon localities. On record. Moving. Stone 8, agate, Exodus 28:19. In agate. I almost don't need to say a word. If you spent 5 minutes looking into Utah rock hounding, agate is everywhere. Dugway geodes, West Desert thunder eggs, agate beds throughout the canyon country. The Utah Friends of Mineralogy, their own literature, catalogs dozens of sites across the state. Agate doesn't just occur in Utah, agate defines Utah. Nobody named those beds into existence either. Stone 9, amethyst, Exodus 28:19. Purple quartz, USGS MRDS, Juab County, Millard County, West Desert localities. Documented. 9 stones in, 9 times. Same state. Stone 10, onyx, Exodus 28:20. Banded silica, the Colorado Plateau region, San Juan County, Wayne County, Garfield County. BLM field documentation, their records. Stone 11, jasper, Exodus 28:20. Red jasper, yellow jasper, picture jasper. Arguably the most abundant ornamental stone in Utah's canyon country. The Henry Mountains, the Escalante region. The BLM's own Utah field documentation mentions jasper collection sites, their federal land management record.